Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the M1 Max 16-inch 2024, and you can see the chip is the Apple M1 Max, and the RAM is 64 gigabyte, and you can see the display is 16-inch, and the storage is 1 terabyte. The battery cycle count 128, 182, and the battery capacity 93%. Okay, and let me show you the GPU. The GPU is 24 cores, and the CPU 10 cores, 8 performance cores, and 2 efficient cores. Okay, this is space gray. The color. This machine, the condition is not good. You can see here, a dent here, and let me show you the logo surface. The display is okay. Display the function is normal. Later I will show you, but you can see the logo surface, the fingerprint here, here, here. A lot of fingerprints. Okay, here the little dent you can see here. The condition not good. This is a powerful machine, but looks like not beautiful. You can see a lot of marks. And let me show you the back. Here also a sticker print. Okay. And let me show you the corner. You can see the corner. Okay, here you can see a serious dent. So heavy, the 16-inch. Okay, here, this corner, no problem. Okay, this corner also no problem, and you can see the charging port. Okay, some little scratches, and let me show you the other side. Okay, you can see this corner, serious, and the charging. You can see the soundboard ports. Okay, use it heavily these ports. Okay, this corner no problem. Only some little scratches here, but this logo surface so many marks. Okay, here, a lot of marks. Okay, let me show you the 16-inch display. Okay, let me change the wallpaper. And I change the gray color. You can see the gray color, no problem. The display is okay. Okay, let me change another color, the dark gray. No problem. The beautiful display. Beautiful display. Okay, I change another color, red color. Also no problem. You can see the keyboard backlight. The keyboard backlight also no problem. If you like this machine, if you don't mind the marks and the dent, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, this is 16-inch M1 Max, 64 gigabyte and 1 terabyte the storage. Okay. See you in the next video.